G'day Australia, Coram from Universal Fuse here. If you're installing a set of speakers into a Toyota like this 2014 Toyota Hilux, you might find that when you unplug the factory tweeter, which was mounted up here on a bracket, that the speaker system in the door will stop working. I'll tell you why that is. That's because within the tweeter there are a couple of loops. So the sound from the audio unit actually comes from the audio unit through the loom into the tweeter and then back out of the tweeter down to the mid-bass driver. Now we're installing one of our Alpine upgrade sets available at universalfuse.com or at Audiocom stores in Western Australia, and we would normally with that kit include a plug and play set of loop cables, but at this Audiocom store at Audiocom Balcatta today we've actually run out of them, so I just made a couple quickly with some crimp pins which does the exact same job. So after you unplug the tweeter plug from the factory tweeter, you'll need to either plug a plug and play loop connector in, available from Universal Fuse or Audiocom stores, or make yourself a couple of little loop cables. It's really easy, you can't mess it up because the colors are all there. You just need to loop the green to the green and the blue to the blue, and that will close the circuit that lets the audio signal then come to the mid-bass driver, so it will power the tweeter and audio and mid-bass driver. Now the mid-bass driver in this situation connects onto the back of the the tweeter in this situation connects onto the back of the mid-bass driver, then runs out through this crossover network, a little inline crossover, clever designed by Alpine, keeps it small and easy to install, and then back up to the new tweeter that we're installing in the tweeter sale. There's a few Toyotas which have this situation, a couple of Camrys, a couple of Land Cruisers, a couple of Hiluxes. So just be aware that if you unplug your factory tweeter and it's got the 4 pins on it, you will need to loop in and out of those pins to close the circuit and have a full closed circuit running. Included in the kit from Universal Fuse, of course, and usually on the shelves at all Audiocom stores. Just not at Balcatta right this moment, but we've ordered some more. If you've got any other questions, get in contact with the teams at audiocom.net.au. Flick a Q there and the sales guys can help you out with the solution and build up whatever parts you need. Or check out universalfuse.com.au and you'll find a whole bunch of plug and play packs there for all sorts of different vehicles. If you can't find a plug and play pack for your vehicle, email the contact page there and the guys should be able to build something up for you. We've got a lot more packs available than what we've got listed. We just literally do not have enough time to put all the packs together on the website. Love to help you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow us on the socials, Instagram, Facebook, and we'll see you again soon.